Let me introduce you to the Moby. If you've never seen a boat like this before, there are only a handful ever made in Cedar City, Utah. And the great thing about this boat, as you will see in our demonstration, is that it's very easy to operate. In other words, if you've never really had a boat before with a motor on it, this one's the one for you. What makes the Moby unique is that it doesn't have a boat trailer. The wheels actually retract, meaning you back it in the water, you crank up the wheels, you take off your hitch, and you're ready to go.